Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 12th January 2024. In a recent announcement, the Income Tax Department has introduced a new requirement for non-individual entities regarding the credit of refunds exceeding Rs 50 crore. As per the notification, a legal entity identifier is now mandatory for efficient refund processing. Entities are urged to promptly submit their legal entity identifier details through the designated portal for a seamless experience. This underscores the Income Tax Department's commitment to a more streamlined and efficient tax administration system. Entities are urged to comply with the new requirement promptly to ensure a hassle-free refund processing experience. Tata Consumer Products Ltd is all set to announce two marquee transactions. The acquisitions of Capital Foods Pvt Ltd, the maker of condiments, food products and ingredients under the Ching Secret and Smith & Jones brands, as well as Organic India, the Fabindia-backed organic teas and health product maker, ending months of negotiations. The acquisitions will help the company gain access to products with a wider taste profile, enter new markets, and broaden its portfolio with organic items that appeal to consumers seeking healthy alternatives. The formal announcement is expected by early next week. Tata Consumer Products Ltd will be buying 75% of Capital Foods from existing investors, Invus Group, a European family office and investment arm with a 40% stake, US private equity group General Atlantic that owns 35%, valuing the company at Rs 5,100 crore. That would peg the stake value at Rs 3,825 crore. Founder chairman of Capital Foods and a former advertising boss turned food entrepreneur, Ajay Gupta will retain his 25% stake for now, but Tatas will buy him out too in future, helping him unlock further value. The centre has set an indicated target of 1% for blending sustainable aviation fuel or SAF with conventional jet fuel for all international flights by 2027, marking a major step towards reduction of carbon emission. This is expected to double to 2% by 2028 and become 5% by 2030, according to an order issued by the Ministry of Petroleum and Gas. SAF is a liquid fuel that can be blended with aviation turbine fuel without the need to develop new planes or engines. It can reduce carbon emissions by up to 80%. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.